In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn money on Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to open Vimeo and sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. It's straightforward, and in no time, you'll be ready to start monetizing your content. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to Vimeo OTT. This is Vimeo's over-the-top platform that allows creators like you to build your own video subscription services or on-demand rental and purchase options. From your Vimeo account, find the OTT option and click on it. This will lead you into the world of creating your very own OTT site where you can showcase your content and earn money from it. Now on to the fun part, creating your OTT site. You'll be prompted to give your site a name. This could be your brand name or something catchy that represents the video content you'll be sharing. Don't forget to select your country from the drop-down list. This helps Vimeo understand where your audience is based and helps with setting up relevant payment and tax information. Next up, it's time to add your video content. This could be anything from educational videos, web series, to documentaries. Simply click on the option to upload your videos and make sure to provide quality descriptions and tags, as these will help your audience find your content. Once your videos are uploaded, you'll want to create a product for your content. This is where the monetization comes into play. You can choose how you want customers to access your videos. There are three main options available: subscription, purchase, or rental. If you go for the subscription model, your customers can pay a recurring fee to access all of your content. The purchase model allows them to buy a video outright, while a rental model means they can pay to watch a video for a limited time. It all depends on what suits your content and audience best. After deciding on the access method, it's time to set your pricing. Consider your target audience and what they would be willing to pay. It's also good to look around at similar content to see what others are charging. Once you have that set, configure your checkout and site settings. This includes setting up payment methods, tax information, and any promotional options you might want to include. Don't overlook the importance of completing your payout information. Vimeo needs to know where to send your earnings. This includes adding your bank details and any other required financial information. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid any payment issues down the line. After you've configured everything, it's time to publish your OTT site. This is a thrilling moment as all your hard work comes together. Once published, you'll receive a link to your site, which you can then share with your audience. Speaking of sharing, don't wait too long. Spread the word about your new OTT site through social media, email newsletters, or even on your other video platforms. The more people who know about your content, the better your chances of earning money. Finally, when customers start purchasing or subscribing, Vimeo takes care of processing the transactions. You don't have to worry about the nitty-gritty of payment processing. Vimeo will handle that for you. Once a transaction is complete, you will receive the applicable payout, which is always exciting. So there you have it, a complete guide on how to earn money on Vimeo. By following these steps, you're not only sharing your passion for creating videos, but also turning it into a sustainable income source. Remember to keep engaging with your audience and continue producing great content, and the rewards will follow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and strategies.